Good morning, everybody. Not the best angle for me. I'm in the car waiting for Wayne at the dump. He's taking me to work, but he's had to stop to fix something at the dump. Just thought I'd update you on my sock knitting. So that's where I put the waist yarn in for the afterthought heel. So I've just got to do 5.5 inches here, and then I can do the decreases for the toe. So it's coming along nicely. So I should have this done very soon, and then I can work on the next sock and have these ready for Wayne for Christmas. So these will be nice and comfy in his boots. But if I just show you, I just put a picture in probably of the curlew, but I've got a curlew friend there. See? Just there. He's very cute.
It's that time of year when everybody's dancing. The snow is falling down, but we're warm inside. By the candlelight, I see your eyes are talking to me, and you'll always be my Christmas Valentine. A Christmas box is wrapped in red and white with a bow. I hear laughter and the fire begins to glow. Silver bells will ring when I kiss you under the mistletoe, and you'll always be my Christmas Valentine. Though the years go by, and yes, we're getting older, and we look back over our shoulder and reminisce to the times of heartache and struggle, and times we couldn't go on. I would hold you in my arms and feel your love.
So this mess, organised chaos, is our tiles and accessories. Yeah, so This here is the tile for the family bathroom, 600 by 600 mil. This is what it is. It's from Sri Lanka. And then this tile is from Italy, and this is what our tile's going to be, 600 by 900 for the ensuite, and it has this variegation, bit of a textured look to it. Each tile's slightly different. And that one, if I go around this way, is this one. The prices on that are not the prices we paid. So this one was down to $79.99 a square metre, and this one was $27.99 a square metre. So that's all the ensuite tile. Sorry, go back. And then these are our vanities. So this is smaller vanities going in the, I'll try and insert a picture. This one's going in the family bathroom, that's 900 millimeters, and then the bigger one, 1200 millimeters, is going in the ensuite. So one is, I think, white oak, and the other one's Tasmanian oak or something, but they're the same vanity, just different size, like different length, with, like, they're a floating vanity with drawers. I'll try and put a photo in. They're our toilet lids. And this is our toilet, same for both bathrooms. And in here we have our shower brushed nickel. It's the Mizu Drift. Sorry, this one's Drift. But it's the Mizu brand. And then this is the shower head, the rain shower head. So the other bit's like the bit you can, like, what do you call it? Lift it off the wall and whatever, wash yourself. And this is the rain shower head. Let me just put you down. This is the rain shower head. It's very heavy. In the same brand, Drift, Mizu, is this brushed nickel toilet roll holder, and we also have a handrail for the towel, hand towel. We also have the square IXL Tastic, which has the heat lamps and the exhaust fan in it, as well as a light. We've got one for each bathroom. This is our mirror. Can't really see it, but it's an LED mirror. I'm just going to have to go around the other side now too. It's the mirror. It's got a sensor in it, so it lights up when you come in the room. Ugh. And I'll just put that back. So we've got one of those arched mirrors for each bathroom. And this is what it is. And I'll try and put a link below to the different products. Also we have, I'll just turn it round. These heated towel rails that will be integrated into the wall for each bathroom. There's a set of 3 vertical ones, and you hang your towel on it vertically. That's also the Mizu brand, but it's called this one. Anyway, I'll link it below. So yeah, so the waterproofing guy's coming back tomorrow, and once he's done and it's dry, then on Monday the tiler's coming, and we'll go through with him how we want the tile to look, like to be set out. And once that happens, then all the pretty stuff can go in, so that's exciting. So another week or two and we'll have our bathrooms. Once the tile goes in and the grout and everything, a final measurement will be done for the glass for each shower screen, and the builder will order that, and so that might take about 10 days to come, but we'll be able to use the bathrooms before then. Anyway, that's all for now. Sit! Sitty! This deck needs a wash, but look at my cute doormat. And I've got my snowman decoration up at the door, but this needs a hose because it's had all the gyprock out here. Sitty! Sit! Come here! No, she's going somewhere else.